Welcome to Asyn Code. Stay up to date on all things coding. Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to break down one of the core principles of object-oriented programming encapsulation in Java. It sounds a little complicated, but I promise it is actually pretty simple once we get into it. Okay, so what is encapsulation? Well, encapsulation is all about hiding the internal details of an object and only exposing the necessary parts of it. Think of it like a black box. You do not need to know exactly what's happening inside, you just need to interact with the outside in a specific way. Let's imagine a simple car class. You, the user, don't need to know how the engine works under the hood, right? All you need to know is how to start the car, drive it, and stop it. So, the car hides all that complex engine stuff from you, and you interact with it through a set of public methods. In Java, we achieve this encapsulation by using private fields and public methods. This means that instead of directly accessing a variable, we access it through getter and setter methods. Let me show you an example. Here we have a car class with a private variable called engine type. You cannot just access it directly from outside the class, because it is hidden inside. But we have got these public methods called getEngineType and setEngineType that allow us to interact with the engine types safely. Private field cannot be accessed directly. Getter method provides access to the engine type. This is the getter method that returns the value of engine type. Setter method allows modification of the engine type. This is the setter method. It allows us to set the engine type. You can control what values are valid by adding some logic here. Now, let's say we want to ensure that the engine type can only be set to certain values, like electric or gas. Instead of letting anyone set it to anything they want, we can add some logic inside the setter method to enforce this. Let's update the setter method to ensure the engine type is either electric or gas. Now, when you try to set the engine type, it has to be either electric or gas. If it is not one of the allowed values, we will print an error message. This is a simple way to validate the input before accepting it. Create a car object. Test setting a valid engine type. Test setting an invalid engine type. Should still print electric, because diesel is invalid. Test setting another valid engine type. Now run our code. That's it for today. Like, comment, and subscribe to stay in the loop.